the window. Roll it down.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm going home.
You're going home?
Yeah.
What side of the road do you think you're on right now? You think you're on the right side of the road?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Why you tell me?
What?
What you mean?
What do you mean what I mean? Where are you coming from?
I'm from my home.
Where are you coming from?
Eh?
Where are you coming from?
I want Gateway.
You drinking tonight?
No.
So how you don't realize you're on the wrong side of the road?
Oh, what? I don't see that.
Give me your license.
You Haitian?
No, I'm not Haitian.
Okay.
Where's your license?
Okay, let me tell you something.
Give me your license.
No, let me.
I don't care. Give me your license.
Let me tell you.
I don't want to hear that. Give me your license.
Okay, let me tell you something.
You need to give me your license first.
Okay.
Give me your driver's license. If you refuse to give me your driver's license...
That's why I tell you, let me tell you something. But not...
612. It is Romeo, India, Romeo.
Sorry. I want to talk to you.
I want your license. I don't want to hear anything you have to say until you give me your license.
Okay, let me tell you something. That is not my car. It is my car, my wife. You understand?
612. Can you stop me with Creole speaking?
I'm from here, but
Give
my
me your
license
license.
is that my car? Is that my car?
Your driver's license. Your driver's license. I need your driver's license.
I got no ID now.
So you don't have a driver's license?
No, is that my car? Because is that my my car? That's what I'm telling you. But my car is here, but in that my car.
It doesn't matter if it's your car or not. You're supposed to have a driver's license.
No,
do you have a Florida driver's license?
No, because
do you have a Florida driver's license?
Sleep. She's wanna sleep.
Do you have a Florida driver's license?
No.
You want to talk about everything else except answer my questions. I'm asking you simple questions. You can't answer them.
That's it. I wanted to talk to you. That's right. My license is not here. But my car is here.
I'm not asking about your car. I don't care about your car. I'm asking about your driver's license.
Why you don't care? Because I want to talk to you.
Because I don't care.
I
don't care. I don't care about your car. You're driving this car. You're supposed to have a driver's license.
Yo, I'm the same, but I understand that. That's why I want to talk to you, but I'm telling you in that my car.
Where are you coming from tonight? So this might be another one, but is the other guy is he 10-8 the DUI unit? 612. Another 10-8 DUI unit.
What's this?
So I'm driving to the car you're going to.
Yeah.
And then
come up to this?
yeah, I see headlights coming my way.
The car?
Yeah, turn off the car. Hey, turn off the car. Turn it off. Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
Let me have, wait, you have 94 coming?
I think Alan is 51. Hey, turn off the car. I'm gonna go and knock you deaf. And I got a bottle back here behind the seat too.
Right there.
And then I got an order
It's
from
for your
him.
speaker?
Yeah, I got profit to do one.
You been drinking? How much you been drinking?
I don't want to drink.
Huh?
Why would you drink?
How much you had to drink?
I don't drink. I don't drink.
You don't drink?
No.
612. What if I go by name and Dale there?
When you're talking to me, it smells like alcohol.
I don't drink. Why you tell me drink? I don't drink.
Why are you getting upset?
Okay. So you told me. I told you.
Last name, Alpha Uniform Romeo Echo Lima.
Hey, who are you guys? Okay. Well, you guys can't be here. Keep it.
Yeah, I appreciate you. Stay in the car.
My wife.
What?
My wife.
Okay. You stay in the car until we tell you to get out. You don't get out when you want to.
Hi.
What's up?
I don't think you're wrong. What happened?
You don't think you're wrong?
No.
Do you see what you
let me
want?
tell you something. I know that now. You take one way.
How do you think it's a one-way?
Yes.
How?
Eh?
How do you think it's a one-way?
Because it's one way. Now I see that.
Where's profit at?
6 Bravo 12 51. 52.
Ooh, boy.
You see that? Count. Yeah, I saw when I pulled up.
Alright. English, Creole, what do you speak?
Creole.
Creole.
Creole?
Creole ko na
Alright, do me a favor, man. I don't know you from Adams or Eve. This hand, put it on the steering wheel for me. Alright, thank you.
Keep it there.
Put your hand on that steering wheel right now.
Alright.
Put your hands, these hands, here.
Keep them there.
Don't move it.
Hold it.
Hold it. Tight. Hold it tight. Thank you.
We're just coming. Hey, come on. I'm waiting for my buddy who speaks Creole, okay? Alright, just leave your wallet in there. Leave your wallet in there. Put your wallet in there.
Put the wallet on the ground, on the seat.
Put it here. Come here. Come here. Come with me. We're gonna go right over here. Right over here. Alright.
Stop outside.
Sou pa di mou yo non, sou pa di mou yo non, ma fè pense ou pa le fè. Ma fè desisyon ou pa le fè.
Bom do, ou se a esse para mwen.
Met la, oui ou non.
Whatever you want. N'importe sa oubliya fè fè. Paske mwen se a esse para ou som ni va ou. Paske mwen sim pa le gwa.
Pou aswe m aparito, bon bayo le di wa. Ou ka retire yo?
Yeah, if I want mbave esse yo to.
Non, ou bagen chwa. Esko ka retire yo?
Fou mi sire yo e lo yo e makay sire yo. Madame a pla pou e sire yo.
Hold
Non, madame a pla pou e sire yo. Lo yo e. Non, sou aparite.
Yo,
No. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what you mean, buddy? God, fuck you. No.
oh, relax.
No. It's like my hey, fuck you. No. Madame a vin pou dolot nan bouche yo. Ou pa ka tire yo. No. No. Madame a vin pou sak nan bouche yo. No, madame a vin pou yo. Oh. Kerry, vin pou dolot nan bouche yo.
Oh, relax, yo.
We not for what? No!
Yo, play.
Get it!
Put your foot in. Mete pe yon dan. Yo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It was on the ground.
Roll in the window.